Hello guys, this is my YouTube channel Car Adventure TM and I am Subhan Arshad, and today I am going to review a proper sedan which is loved by every Indian, which is the Hyundai Verna next generation facelift model of 2020. This comes with a BS6 engine. So the length of this car is 4440 millimeter, width is 1729 millimeter, and height is 1475 millimeter. The variant you are seeing is the diesel. The maximum power this engine generates it is 113 bhp on 4000 rpm. Maximum torque is 250 Nm, which is Newton meter upon 1500 rpm. The mileage that company claims is 25 kmpl. The drivetrain is front wheel drive. This is a front wheel drive car. The air conditioner, it gets an automatic climate control, all 4 power windows, central locking, ABS, seat upholstery is of leather. The tire size is of 195/55 R16. The safety feature, this car is loaded with 6 airbags, tire pressure monitoring system, child seat, anchor points, seat belt warning, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill hold control, traction control, engine immobilizer, central locking, speed sensing, door lock, child safety lock. The comfort and convenience this car offers are as follows: automatic climate control, front AC single zone common fan speed control, rear AC vents behind front armrest and also a heater, vanity mirrors on sun visor only for the co-driver, anti-glare mirrors, park assist, reverse camera with guidance, rear parking sensors, cruise control, headlight off and ignition key off reminder when you left the car, keyless start, steering adjustment is both tilt and telescopic, 12-volt power outlet. If we talk about the telematics, it got geofence, over the air updates, check vehicle status, remote car lock unlock, emergency call, find my car. These all functions can be operated by a app which is known as BlueLink. The seat and upholstery this car offer is: the front passenger seat is 6-way manually adjustable and the driver's seat is 8-way manually adjustable. The seat upholstery is of leather wrapped steering wheel, leather wrapped gear knob, driver armrest, ventilated seats front only, ventilated seats type cold. Interior is of dual tone, interior color is black and beige, rear armrest with cup holders, front seat pockets, front and rear headrest, all are adjustable, cup holders front and rear, driver armrest storage is also there, cooled glove box, sunglass holder, all 4 power windows, one touch down and one touch up only for the driver, adjustable ORVM, turn indicators on ORVM, rear defogger, exterior door handles and interior door handles both are chrome, door pockets front and rear, boot lid opener, electric tailgate release, outside rear view mirror is body colored, it gets an electrically adjustable sunroof, roof mounted antenna, not controls, sorry, body colored bumpers, daytime running LEDs, fog lights are also LED, headlights are also LED, automatic headlamps are also there, follow me home headlamps, tail lights is also LED, cable lamps front and rear, headlight adjuster, rear reading lamp, cornering headlights, active instrument cluster, analog plus digital, trip meter, electronic, 2 trips, average fuel consumption, average speed, distance to empty, clock is digital, low fuel warning, door ajar warning, adjustable cluster brightness, shift indicator, tachometer, instantaneous consumption, smart connectivity, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, integrated music system, displays touchscreen, GPS navigation system, 6 speakers, USB capability, aux capability, Bluetooth capability, MP3 playback, FM radio, iPod capability, steering mounted controls, voice command. The manufacturing warranty is of 3 years, unlimited kilometers. The engine is 1493cc 4-cylinder inline 4-valve cylinder DOHC engine. Engine type is 1.5 U2 CRDI. Fuel type is diesel. The driver range on the single full tank is 1125 km. Transmission and manual is 6 gears. Turbocharged variable geometry. Emission norms which this car stands is BS6, which is Bharat State 6. The wheelbase is of 2600 mm. Ground clearance is of 165 mm. The boot capacity has of 480 liters. Fuel tank capacity is 45 liters. Front suspension is of MacPherson strut with coil spring. Rear suspension is of coupled torsion beam axle. Front brake type is disc, rear is drum, but the company should also provide disc at the rear. Minimum turning radius is 5.2 meters. Steering type is electric. Wheels are alloy wheels. Spare wheel is the steel wheel. And the color this car offers are very nice. Phantom black, Starry night, Titan grey, fiery red, typhoon silver and polar white. And the price of this variant is 13.96 lakhs ex showroom, and this car starts from 9.31 lakhs ex showroom, and the top model goes to 15.11 lakh rupees. So the prices I have told you are all ex showroom prices, not on road prices. So this is all about the all new Hyundai Verna 2020 facelift BS with the BS6 engine. And if you like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And if any query, so comment in the comment section below. I will be replying your comments. Thank you so much. See you in the next vlog or next review. Till then, bye bye. See you.